Hey, my name is Noreen, and I'm working as assistant professor in Linkoping University at this department, IFM. Today I will show you some of our labs where we grow the thin films and we characterize them. So let's have a lab tour then. This is one of our modern thin film labs, and here are some international students. They have quite frequent access to such facilities to work here. So what we will do here today is to try to grow a film, and the technique is called magnetron sputtering. So are you ready for that?
Yes.
So this central one is magnesium oxide, and this is sapphire. So they both look transparent.
But do you need to have special treatment before we put it on?
I have cleaned these substrates before.
Okay,
so let's put that in. This is one is silicon and one is zirconium, and then if you look inside, then you can see the plasma coming down.
I really enjoy the experiment here because now I can see how ideal system can conduct the application of this material. I like the concept that I learned from the senior research to practice the systems. Then later I can practice my idea to design some new materials. And finally, I hope my material can be used in a real application.
Now you saw that the transparent substrate is no more transparent. It's a film on the top. The application of this film is actually a hard coating.
Okay.
So what we do usually, we work quite in close collaboration with industry, and we will, for example, develop a recipe, find a material, mix that, find the characteristic, and then we sort of give the recipe to the industry so they can deposit.
Okay.
One example is this cutting tool. It's a drill. It's quite important for the cutting tool industry that the tool has a longer lifetime.
Yes.
So just by putting a good material, thin layer of a good material, you can increase the lifetime of the tools. For example, we run a course here where within 2 semesters, students get a chance to learn 10 to 12 different techniques. They come here, do experiments with us and learn it. And that's quite beneficial for them when they want to, for example, go to join a PhD in other universities, other parts of the world, and they can tell them already that they are familiar with them.
We have access to the laboratories, and we have almost 2 or 3 labs in each course, and in that courses lab assistants assist us to work with the equipment. They try to help us how to use the equipment. They tell us how to use our individual ideas.
I intend to work in the material science industry, and these labs give me a chance to play with materials.
So whole idea is to implement learning by doing concept, which means student come here, try to use the equipment, and learn it on its own and gets a hands-on experience on it. So what we do here is to 100% give our try, to give the accessibility to all international students to come here, go to the labs, use the equipment, and form their own experiments.